Okay, thank you everyone for making the time to join us for this FlexLearn Tutor Clinic. We will, hopefully I will just run through you on the items we need to show for this 1 hour. Let's see who is not muted. Those not muted, I will mute you, okay? Sorry. Okay, all right. So this is a MS Team session, just like your tutorials. You can raise your question in the chat box or raise your hands. Okay. Okay. Let me just show you briefly. If you can see my screen, when we first started the FlexLearn user development, uh, it's meant to gauge the understanding and knowledge as well as any applied um, action from the tutor in terms of technical training inside the learning management system. So when we do that, we try to get feedback as much as we can. And then after that, we segregated the result and found the 5 items inside the user development that the tutor will need to maybe uh, be more familiar and maybe apply. Okay, so in doing that, since December, we have done the clinic. Can I know who's not muted? Tazita, can you help me to mute? Thanks. Okay, so there's been some confusion over at our side as well, where by the course lead thought the FlexLearn user development is equivalent to the OTT. So we get lots of queries asking, hey, my tutor already did their OTT, so therefore they do not need to do this FlexLearn user development or attend the clinic, the FlexLearn tutor clinic. But as agreed between my department, which is under COLE, the department I'm in. Uh, so there are 3 things the tutor must know about this FlexLearn user development. Okay, first is no, the primary thing is not similar to your OTT. It's a different training and different kind of uh, more specialized skill set in terms of managing courses in FlexLearn. Okay, so that's the primary thing, and then the 3 other things are: yes, the tutor must complete all 6 topics in OTT and obtain the 6 badges. That's when that is already known for all the tutors that we have currently in the system. And then for the FlexLearn user development, we have 5 badges. Okay. And we've been doing the clinic since December 2025. This is the 4th clinic. So I'm going to move on to my other slide when I say the second point there that we have 5 badges. You can see that we have the first one on the left is the Pulse app badge. The orange color is the course activity badge. The black color is the FlexLearn widget badge. The emerald or the green one is the homepage navigation. And the purple one is the setup badge. So in total, there are 5 badges for the user development badges. It's totally separated from the OTT. OTT is more general, that you know how introduction to WOU, how to manage your classes. We did have a topic on how to managing courses in FlexLearn, but it's not as maybe as specific as what we would like the tutor to know for now. Okay, so we have that OTT still maintains 6 badges, and for the FlexLearn user development, there are 5 badges. So in order to qualify for everything, you need to get your 6 badges for OTT. You need to complete 5 badges for the user development and attend a FlexLearn clinic session like we are doing today. So these 3 things is important. And from what I know, HR also agrees that this must be completed, so that you don't have any difficulty when we are rehiring you for the next term. Okay, so you can see here there are 5 badges, and tutor who successfully completed the checklist means that it indicates the confidence in using and applying the items in the platform. Uh, on self-enrollment, actually, Tazida, who sent you the invitation, has enrolled each and every one of you to FlexLearn Tutor Resources, which I will show uh, a while later. And then when you go into the FlexLearn Tutor Resources, you'll be able to see the quizzes that can help you to get these 5 badges. Okay, and all tutors must complete the quizzes inside this FlexLearn Tutor Resources. Okay, let me just jump right out and go here. Okay, see, I'm trying to view as tutor. Okay. So this is quite familiar for some of you already been in the FlexLearn. You have to go to Discover to see the FlexLearn tutor resources. Okay. But before that, I think we go back to the front page, because I'm the administrator. The view here, I cannot see the award. Award is very individualized. Zita, you mind muting that? Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna take tutor. Oh, maybe yeah. Dr. Yao, I'm using you as an example. Okay. Okay. We have Dr. Yao in this session. I'm gonna use his account to show what means. Okay. So when Dr. Yao logs in, first thing you can go is to check. The first thing I say is you have to complete 6 badges for your OTT. So in terms of OTT, I think Dr. Yao has completed all 6. I think he did a couple of rounds or for topic 3, 5, and 4, I guess. So no problem there. Yeah.
Bagi membangun diri daripada rangkaian kerja publik di sekitar semenanjung Malaysia. Pertubuhan dibuat mengikut atas Nilai Unjukan Rasa Malaysia 2009.
Okay. The news is on. Okay. So in terms of OTT, this is okay, completed. But in terms of the FlexLearn tutor resources, we need 5 badges altogether. Okay. So you can see from here, Dr. Yao has only 4. So what is it? He has a profile set up. He has a homepage navigation widget and course activity. So one more is missing. So the other one would be course activity. Course activity, which, okay, let's see. File setup. Yeah, file setup. So Dr. Yao, you need to go and yes.
每個人擺喺我身邊，全部都係想利用我，等我身邊好啲。
Sorry, I'm gonna mute Wei Chin.
我要防我身邊所有嘅人，包括我屋企人。
So may I know who's not muted? Okay. Sorry about that. So you can see from here there are 5 badges, and Dr. Yao has yet to complete the Pulse app because from here you can see the Pulse app badges is still not available. Okay. So what he needs to do is to go to the FlexLearn page, press discover again, FlexLearn tutor resources, open the course, and go to the quiz for tutors under Pulse app. And then attempt the quiz. Okay. It's very straightforward, just like your OTT. Okay. Okay. So next slide is that I will show what it means for you to complete this. Okay. So for the first batch, it is the profile setup. Okay, this one I think you already know. I showed you this. Okay, in terms of the file setup. So this one is pretty standard. We like to say, like in the world of ODL, they don't have to come to classes. It's okay, tutorial is still optional at this point. So what we do next is actually when we go for orientation, every orientation, for every term, we keep telling the students that make your presence felt even in an online environment, which means that, go and set up your profile, try to put an avatar or even a picture of yourself, appropriate picture of yourself, so that, you can build a community of learner, community of users inside our small community in WOU. So the same goes for the tutors. So I encourage you to take a few minutes to go click on your name, set up your profile, upload your picture, and add those pictures so that your student can see your presence in the class. And also actually we have enabled a link in URL to be present. So if you have a URL for LinkedIn, you can just copy that from LinkedIn and place it onto your profile in Flexi. Okay. And when your student click, it will pop up for them to view your profile in LinkedIn. Okay. So we have how to do all this thing in video format, which is also available here under the main page under video tutorials. Okay. But if you don't want to search, it's okay. You can just click on the slide because we link it directly to the YouTube video. Okay. So after setting up the profile, similarly, like a student, we also would like to encourage you as tutors to also set up your notification. Okay. So, okay. You're using Dr. Yao's account. So you can see that he has a tutor email address already tagged under this. And if you want, you can actually select either daily, if it's too much, or weekly. You can set any preference that you wish to receive notification about. But if you don't use this also, it's all right, because we do have tutors who constantly daily log in. So I guess for Dr. Yao, he opted for never. Okay, that can also be done. If you want, you can say never, but if you would like if you to be reminded, and you need to check on certain things that are happening in your classes, then I would recommend you utilize this summary of activities that will be sent to your WOU email. Um, Either, set it to your own preference to what you like. Okay, right. And also we have that in detail inside the video format, okay, in YouTube. Okay. So the next batch is about homepage navigation. So on homepage navigation, once you log in, you can see that there are lists of external online services available here. Okay. And it lists down the help center. The student portal is for you to guide your student in case there's new students, new classes, they are not familiar with certain things. They need to know where to get some application form to view the academic progress. You can guide them and say, okay, you know where it is on the front page under external online services, and they can click to their own portal. Okay. And in terms of online assignment submission, of course, we use the OAS, online assignment submission. We have a link here, as well as the other library links, and also the tutor portal. So safe to say, from tutor portal, you can go to OAS if you have any active courses for the term. But from OAS to go to FlexLearn, not OAS, sorry, tutor portal to go to FlexLearn, it's also doable, but uh, it's on a different site. So, we can, since it's an internal system, so we allow you a single sign on. If you log into the tutor portal, you don't need to log into the FlexLearn. You can click on the tab and it will bring you to FlexLearn. If you come to FlexLearn, you want to go to tutor portal, you go under external online services and it will bring you to tutor portal. Okay. And the other tabs that available in the homepage navigation is the Discover. Discover, as you know, has all the tutor resources and the OTT courses, OTT topics courses. We have what's there. You have tutorial links for video tutorial under the LMS team, and the FAQ. Okay, show you what each of and every links does. Okay, the online services, you see you have this. Okay, and Discover, you will see the OTT and as well as the FlexLearn tutor resources to get your badge for the user development. Under awards, you can go and self-check uh, on the topics that you have yet to complete. Okay? And under video tutorials, it will bring you to the LMS team YouTube channel. You can see we have updated from time to time, but the past couple of months has been quite hectic for us. But we still note that whatever you see here is still very much functional. Okay, and you have a playlist for tutors, student, and costly, so that it's easier to segregate and see what you need to see. Okay, and FAQ, this is a compilation of um, frequently asked questions over the span of few years. So we haven't changed it much because things has not changed much. Okay, but the rest is all pretty much the same. Okay. So now let's go to FlexLearn widget. So FlexLearn widget, in our survey, we do find that our tutors know about the widget, but probably don't use it as much. Okay. When we say that, actually, you go to the home page, you can see FlexLearn. Welcome to FlexLearn. This one we oftenly rotates, seeing the trend that kind of ticket that we find in the help desk. Most of the students cannot find certain courses over a new term, so that's why we change from a general overview video of FlexLearn to a more specific one, so that it help to ease the students in the navigation. So for FlexLearn for tutors, you can see the upcoming, actually is ongoing OTT. It will close by the end of this week on Sunday, 11:59, and you can see that these are the resources. That if you scroll down, you see School of Education. There's plenty of resources updated by the program lead for the school, for the programs. You can also see the ODL part-time resources. This one actually, although it's probably not so much for you, but it's for your student. Because sometimes when they seek help, let's say they in class say, I don't know how to print a course material. So you can probably guide them here under student resources and say, you can watch the video on how to do that. And let's see whether we also have a print version of it. And actually, it does get updated from time to time. And the latest one would be the workshop that uh, one of the school had for AI enhanced academic writing. We just uploaded this thing either yesterday or last week. Yeah. So you can see here, because for ODL full time, you also have the privilege to see it's pretty much the same, but because of the um, status in the ODL, the term that we use, ODL full time, ODL part time, so we decided to segregate these two students type. Okay, so you can see from here. Okay, So Tazida has actually listed down all the widget that's available for the front page in FlexLearn. Okay. And of course, we do have a course activity widget, uh, badge, sorry. So for the course activity badge, actually this one is pretty standard for tutors and students. Sometimes I still receive ticket from tutors saying that, I'm starting a new term. I cannot see the new term. I'm still seeing the old term. So for example, let's see whether Dr. Yao has any courses. Okay. So this happen quite often, and we see it in students' ticket. But um, sometimes in a term, we do see tutors putting in a ticket as well because they say, "Oh, please help! I do not have my current courses available to me. I'm teaching for this subject so and so for this term, but it's not reflecting." So actually, what happened was we do have a dynamic navigation here. So when you do teach or take care of a class in September 2025, whatever your footprint, it will record your last login as where you were in September 2025. So if you have a course in 2026, you have to go all the way to the front to see whether the course is reflective. Okay. So, but if it's a hassle, because Dr. Yao has been tutoring for us for quite a while, you can also go to the pie, the what pie, the waffle icon. Sorry, waffle icon. You can see these are all the courses that Dr. Yao enrolled has been enrolled to for the active term, which means the current January term. Okay, so there's two choices. You can either scroll all the way, or you want to make it short, you can just go to waffle icon and see your current courses there. Okay, so although if the page says like this, can just go here, click, and it's already taking you to the course itself. Okay. And then when you go back to the front page, it's still shown, but I think you need to go to all, then it will show you the current one that we're having. Okay. If not, just use um, the waffle icon, right? Okay. Uh, Let me pause here for a while because I think PulseApp is a bit more straightforward, but uh, not many users use it. Okay, so let me see whether we have any questions in the. Okay. Any questions from anyone?
Hi, I'm Lee Sui Ping, one of the
Yeah.
part-time
Hi.
tutor. Yeah, I
Yeah.
have actually attended the clinic, the FlexLearn clinic last
Mm-hmm.
year, and I
Okay.
tried to do the badges. Out of the
Uh-huh.
5 badges I have awarded 3 badges, but batch 1 and batch 5 that I'm not able to submit, but the answers are safe after I completed my quiz, but I'm not able to submit my answer in the quiz. So that's why I did not complete the 5 badges. I only have 3 out of 5.
Oh, okay. So, let me
But
try
my answer
to.
is saved in the system. But every time I click submit, right, it just give me blank and I don't know who to refer to. And
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
yeah,
Let's see. Let's try if you don't mind. Uh, okay. Just gonna see what you see. Those the- Okay. So we're gonna now here. Okay. Okay. So which one did you attempted?
I attempted 5 and the answer are saved, but I'm not able to submit one, the profile setup.
Okay. Let us see. Okay. So can you continue?
I
Let's
can, you
say,
can click, yeah, you
okay,
can
I
click
clear.
on, yeah,
Okay. Okay. So after you have done,
yeah, but
there
I
is a,
cannot, yeah, I submit, but nothing process.
okay, I'm going to submit
Yeah,
for you.
oh, how come you can, I can't?
Actually can. That's why you can try. Which is the other one?
The 5th one, the last one.
The last one. Okay.
Okay, I check my
Uh,
side.
yeah,
The
you
last one
try.
is the pulse. Yeah,
Yes, correct.
the 5th one, the pulse app. Yeah, go to
Yeah, you continue.
the
And
answers are saved, but
then, yeah, and then you submit.
yeah, I didn't get to this stage. I don't know why.
Oh, what browser are you using?
Browser, Google,
Chrome.
Chrome.
Okay.
Yeah, Chrome.
So the final one, I leave it up to you to try because
Oh, okay, okay. I
maybe
try now and see whether I
okay. Yeah, you can try and maybe clear the cache sometimes. One
where do I clear the cache?
okay, let's see. Okay. Clear, delete browsing data. You can do this. One, delete data. There's a cache
Oh,
image and
delete
files here.
browsing data. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Can do that here. Is there's actually two ways about it. You can go to the three dots and you can
Okay.
see new
Okay.
incognito
Yeah.
window. So when you do incognito, usually um it will clear the cache
Mm-hmm.
um in this session. So you don't have to clear the cache. That's why it's, if you see, my whole session is white and the
Um,
incognito is dark. So it means that
mm,
the dark one is
mm.
the one that already clear out your cache. Normally we don't have any issues. If you are scared to clear your safe password and things like that. Yeah.
Okay.
So you can
Uh,
use the incognito and still log in, and it will hopefully can help you with that lah. But never mind. Um, Tomorrow or when you submit your final one,
mm.
or you didn't manage to submit, just drop
Yeah, I
me and
didn't.
oh, okay,
Now
still cannot. No?
I think you are able to submit, but my fifth one I try, but also blank.
Also blank.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I think,
Only yeah, but just now you submitted my profile setup, right? And now I got the
yeah.
batch, yeah. But I'm
Oh,
not able to do the fifth one. I don't
do
know
you have
why.
any alternate browser? Sometimes,
Um, I
Edge, Microsoft Edge, or
Microsoft Edge, I don't.
oh, you
I
don't.
I
Okay,
use Chrome.
okay. Um,
So you
okay.
want to
In
help me
the
to clear the fifth?
okay, okay, okay. I can help you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah,
You
I
sure
saw
you
the
don't do
first
any?
one. Yeah.
You won't do any more changes, huh? You are
No, no,
sure
no.
with the answer?
Yeah, I'm trying to submit because I didn't have the badges, so I was asked to attend the fourth session.
Yeah, yeah. No, because the attendance is a bit compulsory because
Correct, correct.
uh
Understand. Yeah.
I do get feedback say, can I just watch the recording and consider it done? Because there's some agreement with the HR. HR said no, they must come to the session and
Yeah.
then you
So
know
because I'm using Chrome, that's why I have this problem.
I'm not sure sometimes. That's why I have multiple browser on my
Oh, okay, okay.
desktop, on my laptop. So,
So
so
you
that
have no
if
issue, yeah.
so if
But I'm not sure why
something,
out of five I only managed to get three done submitted, but the other two was hanging long time, I trying to figure out, Chinese New Year, I forgot about it now.
oh,
Now I
okay,
attended.
okay.
Yeah, thanks.
But I think Tazida, the minimum threshold is 80% or 70%. Tazida, you hear?
Okay. So
There's
I
a
did not meet the.
qualification. Wait, let me try to see. I think we set a threshold. Um, okay. Yeah, 80.
Oh, so I need to redo the thing.
Yeah. You try
Okay,
again, but
okay,
if you are not successful, just drop me an email,
okay.
then I'll look into it. Okay.
Thanks. Yeah,
All
thanks.
right. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Um, any more question? No?
Sorry, this is Mr. Gan over here. So I have a
Oh.
question, which is for those badges, right? So once we
Mm-hmm.
fully complete, do we still need any like notification or info, any HR or system will directly able to know we got how many badges?
Uh, Tazida will normally keep track, but it's also a good practice if you can keep uh the copy of your badge for record lah, in case.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have a question here regarding those batches, right, from
Yeah.
OTT classes,
Yes.
because I think I have attended the classes long time ago. So is there
Yes.
any validity towards those batches?
Yes, yes, yes. It's still valid because
Still valid?
that's yeah, because now it's becoming a two-tier kind of thing. The first tier is the OTT, then the second tier would be these 5 badges because it's more specific on the platform. So uh the OTT is still valid, and so far we do not make any changes yet to the OTT structure. So whatever you have right now, if you've completed all 6, is still valid.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Hello, Yusuf here.
Hello.
I would
Hello.
like to ask, when should we complete all the 5 badges? Is there any deadline? Thank you.
Okay. Preferably before next term commences. Next term, next May term commences, because whatever result that we did for the tutors, whoever completed means no issue, but I do not know. I've not seen anything being enforced yet, but because it's directly coming from HR, so I think it's best to do it before the next term commences. Yeah.
Manisha, Kevin
So,
Chow here.
Hi, Kevin.
Just can I? The previous person, you have something more to add? I'll let you go on first.
Oh, okay.
yeah. So, we have to complete these new 5 pages on top of the previously OTT, was it?
Correct. Yes, correct.
Okay. All right, that's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Manisha, I
Okay.
have a question here. In case that we didn't manage to complete, I mean, the quizzes within the attempts that has been given to us, right?
Uh-huh.
So we fail lah, okay? Then
Okay.
what should we do? Can we call you?
For this one, is it for the
Yes.
user development? Actually, we allow unlimited time. I mean, unlimited attempt for you to do it. So
Okay.
there's no limit lah. Like one time then fail. No, you can try as much as many as you needed, so that you can can move on.
Okay. As long as we hit 80, then should be okay, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks.
Manisha, Kevin again.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, I was saying, I did remember I have attended many of this tutor
Mm,
training session before,
mm,
kan? It
mm.
was quite many years ago. So
Okay.
I'm not sure whether it was 4 or 5 because I have lost count.
Okay.
Wouldn't HR be the one who is keeping track for all the tutors instead of us keeping track ourselves, kan? Or how?
No, like it's a self-managed, because sometimes, I mean,
Mm-mm,
we have to be fair, because
mm-hmm.
we teach ODL kan. ODL
Ah,
tutor kena
betul.
self-manage. So
Uh-huh.
we expect tutor, kalau boleh, please,
Mm-mm.
we can provide some assistance, but
Ah, okay.
um, but normally, in terms, we do track. HR also track. So
Mm-mm.
actually, but sometimes in between there might be gaps here and there.
Ah, okay.
But for the like I said just now, the OTT,
Mm-mm.
the misconception that we got
Mm-mm.
before CNY
Yep.
was, oh, if this one is equivalent to the OTT. So if you do OTT, no need to do this one. No, actually, uh,
Mm.
HR has set a new rule. So the first rule is to complete your OTT. Okay, that's done.
Mm.
Is okay.
Okay.
Then the second one would be on the platform itself. So that's
Oh.
why, yeah.
Mm.
So for those yang complete all 6 OTT, no problem. You only need to make sure you complete these 5 batches and
Oh.
attend a session, because
Oh.
they say, oh, they do and then they don't attend the session, macam
Mm-mm.
like your students, your students say, oh, I cannot attend, I only
Mm-mm.
watch the recording, so they
Yes,
say
yes.
cannot be counted. So
So I'll
yeah.
think I'll just look back at our screen. Then there's one called awards or something, kan?
Betul
There
betul.
would be. So dalam tu all the previous years badges will be there lah.
Yeah.
Ah,
Definitely. Yeah.
okay. So the
Yeah, I
minimum is
think
what? The six or what? 6 or 5?
6. I think you are done. Yeah, I don't think you need to ask also. Because
Also.
no, because you're so senior. So wait, let me see.
Okay. Oh, you nak check
Let
ah?
me see. I don't think you need. Uh,
Because I
I
don't
don't.
remember like berapa dah.
Oh, but you use your tutor punya CLK2 to check.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Uh,
you go under awards. So oh,
Oh my, is it?
okay. Yeah, oh my. You haven't completed any of you haven't gotten any badges for your tutor. Oh, you are missing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Yeah, you have all 6 badges for OTT.
Mm.
But you need to attempt. You go to
Mm-hmm.
Discover,
Mm-hmm.
then you go to the FlexLearn Tutor Resources.
Mm-hmm.
Go to it. To go to the course, you either enroll or Tazira forgot to enroll. I guess. Okay. So you open this course, then you go to the quiz,
Mm-hmm.
attempt all this, and get
Oh, okay.
your badge. Yeah.
Okay. FlexLearn tutor resources lah.
Yes, betul.
Okay. Understood. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Puan Manisha, Sazwan
Yes,
here.
Dr. Sazwan. Yeah.
I think I'm facing the same issue with the previous just now.
Okay.
I already lost count on my award and also badges. So
Okay.
I will need some assistance from Akak.
Boleh. Kejap let me check. Because you all ada multiple accounts. Okay. So you use your tutor punya SSBM 2, then I think log in. Let's see. So what's so okay. You masih OTT, you masih tak ada topics topics 4, topics 5.
Topic 5, okay.
You masih kurang. Kejap. See, dia ada berapa topik? Discover. Okay. So you masih kurang 1 dah ada, 2, 3.
4 and 5.
You 3 pun 3 ada, okay.
4 and 5
Okay.
and
So using community ni masih tak ada topic 5. Tapi tinggal ambil yang ni April. Sekejap ya, I cari yang updated ni. Updated. Okay. Research dulu. Okay. Apa nama? February 26. February 26. So you masih need topic 6 ni, managing online classes using Microsoft Teams dengan
I think 4 Kak. 4 and 5. I rasa 4 and 5.
No, pasal online pun tak ada. Yang Teams tu pasal dia 6 semua.
Maybe yang ada it shows you 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. So 4 and 5 I'm missing, is it?
You are missing. Missing 3 tu for sure. 3 tak. Sorry.
3 or
4 ada. Because the thing yang confused ni, because after a while HR tukar, they switch the sequence. Managing FlexLearn courses ni used to be topic 4. Then they push it to topic 6. No, used to be topic 6. Then they masukkan ke topic 4. But but you need, I think, I'm looking at the topic itself. I don't count the badges. I'm looking at the topic itself. You will need yang ni, community framework and Microsoft thing. Betul. Yeah. So
5 and 6,
yeah. Okay. So yang ni untuk OTT. Then keempat, lima. Okay, this one still missing one. Still missing one would mean
That one is the batch kan?
this one yang dekat sini pula. Yang ni is under, yang ni OTT tau, yang di bawah, the bottom one. So okay, this one yang the FlexLearn tutor resources. You need one more. So that one more would be.
That one would be.
Kejap. File ada. Okay. Activities. Okay. You tak ada homepage ni. Application. Still one more. Still missing one more. The file. Sure. 5. Cukup lah. Sorry.
So only for OTT lah.
Yeah, OTT you need to complete.
Okay, alright. Noted. Thank you, Kak.
Thanks.
Confused lah sekarang ni.
Ya, betul.
So yang badges tu sebenarnya 6 ke 5?
6 yang mula punya. Dia kena all you kena dapat 11. All in all,
okay.
everyone kena dapat 11. That's the ultimate.
So,
atas 6, bawah 5.
Atas 6, atas certificate 6 OTT kan?
Yep.
Okay, badges yang paling baru ni lah ada 5.
Correct.
So tadi nampak macam ada February 2026. Itu yang certificate baru ke? Kena complete juga ke? Macam mana?
Yang February 2026 is because bila any tutor pergi dekat Discover, dia akan nampak yang lama juga. We cannot disable this sebab dia ni 2024. Dia termasuk juga dalam library system tu. It's the platform punya issue lah in a way. So you can see 2024. So bila I search this now, so that easier for Dr. Zazwan. So tadi yang I key in ni, so that is easier for him. Kalau dia nak search satu-satu, dia nak view all a bit slow lah. So kalau kita buat search, then kita boleh dapat straight away. Tapi itu pun tercampur juga dengan orang lain. So that's why it's yang ni platformnya UI dia punya user interface memang macam tu.
So we just concentrate on the new 5 badges sajalah ya. If we have completed the first 6.
Yes. Betul.
Okay.
Because all
thank you.
together dia pernah tengok 11. Dah bertambah daripada 6 jadi 11.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Lim Z Chick. Yes.
Hi. So just to double confirm, since most of us we got the 6 badges already, so we just need to enroll in the Discover and just take the FlexLearn 5 badges lah.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry, I have a questions
Sure.
regarding the February 2026. Is that any new courses for e-certification?
No.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Yeah, only that 6. Yeah. Okay, Dr. Shai. This I've completed this. Okay.
Can I ask a question? Sorry, a bit extra.
Oh yeah.
Can I you first?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wong, yeah. Yeah, if I had taken the e-certificate in the 2021 or 2020, right now I don't need to take this 2026 anymore, right?
No. If you finish your OTT, the e-cert part, the upper one, the top one, if you've taken previously in 2021 or before 2026, whatever is there is still valid. But making sure that you have all 6 topics.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Marisha.
Yes. Hold
Marisha.
on, Yeah.
Mazlina ni.
Ya.
Saya nak tanya kenapa dekat yang my courses tu kan ada semua yang kursus aktif, kursus tak aktif.
Yang ni
boleh tak adakan yang aktif saja. We tengok kursus saya. Lepas tu satu lagi kelas tu ada student pun ada kat situ, tak ada student daftar pun.
Yang tak ada daftar tu because yang ni kita read from registry. So kalau
saya pening sebab berlambat cuba you tengok seperti senarai kursus tu. Yang ada 4 je.
Betul, tapi dia from the school kita tak dapat arahan untuk deactivate course tu. Kalau school kata macam not offered, dia change the status daripada not offered, saya akan disable.
Sebab saya pening kalau apa-apa kan saya nak cari turun ke bawah sebab
ya. Betul.
Lepas tu satu lagi kalau macam kita masukkan sesuatu, kenapa kita tak boleh send kepada semua grup yang kita ajar?
Boleh. Actually yang tu pun ada
saya kena hantar satu-satu.
Tak payah, tapi for your case, because MPU sekarang pun ada MPU without the credit hour. So ada pertukaran dari segi school juga.
Baharu je.
Ya. Okay. So sekarang ni all this saya tak dapat arahan daripada
saya
school.
Pening.
Memang. Tapi kalau puan nak yang mana yang aktif tu, yang ada kata 4 je.
Dekat bawah. Saya pun pening dah tak tahu mana satu. Dia tak ada yang atas tu tak ada kebanyakannya. Semua yang dekat bawah.
Okay. So kata bagi satu, kata yang ni kan.
Bahasa kebangsaan ni. Dia yang micro credential tu tak ada.
Okay. Tapi yang mana ada? Bagi saya satu contoh. Puan boleh tolong pin kan? Kita boleh pin. Bila pin benda tu, puan pergi kat sini je, lepas tu nampak benda tu. Dia macam taklah barang serabut sangat.
Okay.
Nanti lepas habis term tu, keluarkan dia balik.
Pin balik. Unpin. Okay.
Ya?
Okay. Terima kasih.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay. I guess I continue for one more topic, that is Pulse app. Okay. So for Pulse app, actually it's available for iOS and also Android. It's, to be frank, is good to have if you want to see notification. Okay. Most of the feedback we got from the students using the Pulse is that they need to log in again to the WOU site, and then only it will bring back to the site. I mean, it's kind of not fully independent in terms of system. We have feedback this to the vendor, but so far I think no development yet, because now everybody is looking towards AI. So the development for the app is maybe getting slow because the vendors focus is more on AI. So right now, what I want to highlight based on the Pulse app is actually you should try to download, try to use it and see whether it works for you. I use it for my notification. Honestly, I have it in my phone. I use it for notification and to see if there's any new updates inside the course, any new update on the announcement. Okay. But other than that, is pretty much for me. I prefer to use browser inside the phone. Okay. But um everybody is different. Um my needs probably is not the same as yours. So I would encourage all of you to try and install in your own device and give it a try. If you feel that it's not your cup of tea and would like to send feedback, you are welcome to do so. So actually, these are all basic, step by step on how to install and connect to the Pulse app. You still have to sign in, okay? And then from time to time, you need to go for Android devices only. For some reason, iPhone cannot clear the cache. Maybe some security reasons there. But for Android, you can use the app to clear the cache and start over when you do. I guess for the new term uh, every time, so you can do that. So, but apart from that, I guess Pulse app is nice to have to see if there's any update. But other than that, for me, I don't use it quite frequently. But it's good to have, some mobile app that you have on your fingertips to see what is happening in the course itself. Okay, although um, limited functionalities, but it still works. Okay. Okay. On that note, actually, we are slightly over time, but it's going to jump in and look at the. Okay. Thank you, Tazida, for helping me to answer the questions. Okay. Okay. Any more last question before we retire for the evening? Wow. Oh, Lee Sweeping, good job. Okay, so if there's no more question, thank you very much for taking your time